Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Popcaan has announced a new venue for his second staging of Unruly Fest. The announcement was made last night at the launch, held at Triple Century in New Kingston.
We are at a different venue. Good year Roval this year. Yeah, whole heap of show spirit there, good year Roval, so we do it there.
Popcaan also revealed the artists who are billed for the Unruly Fest lineup this year.
Well, the lineup is amazing, you know. You have Quada, you have Bouncy Killer, Capleton, Sizzler, you have Granny Claw, St. Thomas out the same way. Then the Unruly Boss the same way, Jaffras. And we have enough more artists we announce.
Popcaan's foundation, Popcaan Care, will also benefit from the event.
The foundation for the kids, you know. Like when we do show like Unruly Fest, we give back to school. It's just a channel for help more people, you know.
The launch saw industry players, fans and fellow dancehall artists out supporting the Unruly DJ. Minister of Entertainment and Culture Olivia Babsy-Grange was in attendance and applauded Popcaan for his contribution to St. Thomas.
Well, I'm here to support Popcaan. I'm here to encourage him and to say to him that I admire the fact that he has decided to give back to the parish of his birth.
The first staging of Unruly Fest was held at License Park in St. Thomas and featured Bounty Killer, Dre Island, Agent Sasko with special appearance from Toronto rapper Drake. The Unruly Fest this year is slated for December 21. Dancehall artist Charlie Black has teamed up with music producer Jermaine Henry, popularly known as Crabba Genius, on a track dubbed Domestic Violence. The track, released over a week ago, has been viewed over 200,000 times on YouTube and has been making waves on the scene. Domestic violence, as the title suggests, speaks out against gender-based violence. In an interview with The Star, Crabba shares that with Charlie's following and international reach, the song will garner the attention it needs to create a stir in the industry and the world by extension. Now, as the anticipation grows for the Red Bull Culture Clash, Crew Ramesh Entertainment has added the prolific ZJ Liquid to the lineup. Liquid made the announcement yesterday on his Instagram account. Liquid joins DJs Franco, Bada Bling, Escobar, Chrome, Black Boy, Ansman, along with artists Ding Dong and TJ as part of Team Ramesh Entertainment, while Governor, who leads Strike Force, is getting his fans ready for the clash. In this video he shared on Instagram, it shows the DJ and his team members, including Jada Kingdom. Also part of the crew lineup is DJ Bambino, representing for the hip-hop heads, Do It For The Culture crew, and King Baba, Barry Hype and Billy Chin with the Rhythm Stream Platter. The crews will face off in genres ranging from dancehall to hip-hop, reggae and soca. The Red Bull Culture Clash comes to Jamaica on November 2 at the National Arena. See you there. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.